Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will share with you crispy fried noodle with beef pepper in black bean sauce. Process the beef first. About 200 grams of beef. Remove the fascia. The taste is more tender. Discard the fascia. Cut the lines of the beef. The taste will be more tender and smooth, otherwise it will be rough. It is enough to cut to about 2 mm thick. Wash clean. Drain. Soak with soda water to make the taste soft. Set aside, spare. Cut the ingredients. Mince the garlic and ginger. Rinse the tempeh and chop it finely. Chop bell peppers and onions into small pieces. Cut the shallots into 3 to 4 centimeters long. Set aside, spare. After 15 minutes, remove the beef and drain. Press dry. Seasoning. Take 200 grams of beef as an example. Add half a teaspoon of sugar, 1/3 teaspoon chicken powder, pinch pepper, a teaspoon light soy sauce, small amount of sesame oil, half teaspoon Maggi soy sauce, 2 teaspoons cornstarch. Mix well. Add a little water to make it more tender. Add water little by little, don't worry. Feel moist and that's enough. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Set aside, spare. This time I made it with egg noodles. Boil water. Add a tablespoon of oil. After boiling, add noodles. This kind of noodle is hard and needs to be cooked for a while. Cook for 3 minutes, remove. Mix well to evaporate the water. Otherwise, it will be too wet and affect the effect of the finished product. Blow it with an electric fan. The effect is better. Wash the wok and heat it up. Once the wok is hot, turn off the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake well. Add noodles. Turn to medium fire. At this time, do not stir the noodles. Move the wok so that it heats evenly. Fry for about 3 minutes and cook the other side. Fry the other side for 3 minutes, remove and drain. Leaving a small amount of oil in the wok is fine. Add beef and fry until fragrant. Fry the beef for a minute, remove. Add about half a tablespoon of oil. Saute onions and bell peppers until half cooked. About a minute is enough. Add garlic, tempeh, ginger. Stir fry. Add a small amount of Shaoxing wine, 400 ml water, seasoning, a teaspoon of sugar, pinch pepper, half tablespoon soy sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce, a small amount of old pumpkin color. Add beef. Add appropriate amount of cornstarch water. Because fried noodles have low density, the soup should be thicker. Otherwise, it will become soup noodles, which is not good looking and not tasty. As in the film is enough. Turn off the fire, add a little sesame oil. Put the noodles on the plate. Cut it. It is convenient to eat, and the juice can also penetrate into the inside. Pour the gravy on the noodles and you can eat. Add spring onion. Can eat now. Today's beef chow mein with black bean pepper is complete. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.